Good morning, explorers. Today is 2/23/2024. The time is 11:05 a.m. And I had noticed it earlier, but I was not awake yet enough to be able to do a video. So we are looking at EMSC right now. There was a 6.3 earthquake off the southern East Pacific Rise. It was 10 kilometers in depth. So we are going to go and put this into Google Earth. It was 14 hours and 14 minutes ago. So it looks like we're going to start having bigger earthquakes again. And I am using the old Google Earth, so can see that this is off South America. We can see that this is on the, let me get the boundary up here. This is the Antarctic Nazca divergent boundary. This here is the Nazca divergent boundary. This here is the Pacific Nazca divergent boundary. And this here is the Oceanic convergent boundary, transform boundary. Sorry, you guys, I have a little bit of a sniffle this morning. So the earthquake was here. And I'm going to think that there may be another earthquake either over this direction or down here because I'm looking at triangle pattern. So triangle pattern would be here and here. So we're possibly looking for a 5.0 earthquake. Anyways, just my deduction. Hopefully I'm wrong, but that is what I'm deducing. Okay, so we're going to say 6.3. And let's see if there's any news. This was reported 13 hours ago by WFLA. And it says the 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck the East Pacific Rise February 22nd morning. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the natural disaster was located in the southern portion of the mid-ocean rise and centered about at a depth of 2 kilometers or 1.24 miles. The East Pacific Rise, which runs through the Gulf of California and the Salton Sea Basin, is located along the floor of the Pacific Ocean and separates the Pacific Plate west from several other plates. Last week, a 3.8 magnitude earthquake struck California. The natural disaster was located in Ontario and centered at a depth of 13 kilometers or 8.08 miles, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. So this is the one that they were talking about, but they talked about other earthquakes here as well, and shows the location, but it doesn't show the land. So when we're pointing it here, this is the location here, according to EMSC. So let's look at USGS. Let's see if USGS is showing this earthquake. And they should be. This was a 6.3 southern East Pacific rise. Let's see if they're showing anything else. They have a 4.7 southern Indian ridge, a 4.5 Sinabung, I believe that's Indonesia, a 4.7, yeah, 4.7, 40 kilometers east northeast of Estique, Peru, 5.2 Teluk Dalam, Indonesia, a 5.3 Fengal Unga, Tonga, 4.6 Kunduz, Afghanistan, a 4.5 Akol, China. That one's 127 kilometers west of Akol, China. the 6.3 on the East Pacific Rise, 4.6 Valdivia, Colombia, 4.7 Coral Islands. Let's see here real quick. That one was a 4.4, so I'm looking for here or here, but we'll see. 5.1 Coral Islands. There was a 2.8 in Minto, Alaska. 4.3 south-southwest of Padam, India. 3.2, 7 kilometers east of Fremont, California. A 2.6, Petersville, Alaska. A 2.6, Pahala, Hawaii. There was a 3.3, Lake Michimina, Alaska. There was a 4.7, El Terrero, Mexico. There's an earthquake that just hit. 3.5, Falls City, Texas. Let's see if it's on EMSC yet. They only posted that one. So this would be it here, 3.4. Let's look on Google Earth. Oh, looky, we have a whole bunch of drilling points here. Nothing new, just lots of drill points. Busy, busy. All of these little white boxes here is oil and gas. And this one is hitting right next to one. You can see where the oil and the gas is. That's what all those little drill points are. Thousands of them. Look, you can see all of them. And then they just had a 2.1 in Western Texas as well. Let's see where that one is. Oops. This doesn't look like there's any drill points over here, but there's a lot of little roads over here, so I don't know. Could be old drilling places. I mean, once you make the ground soft, it stays soft, I guess. There's one. There's another. Yep. Okay, so back to what we were looking at. There was a 4.4 west northwest of Atka, Alaska, which is right here. 3.5, we looked at that one already. A 4.4, 112 kilometers west northwest of Ai, Japan. A 3.1, Pawnee, Oklahoma. Let's see that one. It's got more drill points over here. Sure looks like it. Old pads, maybe. I don't know. No, there's a house right here. It looks like a house. But that there looks like a drill pump. Maybe it's water. Who knows? No idea what it is. You got houses over here. This looks like electrical lines running through here, so maybe that's electrical line. All right, you guys, that's just a real quick update. I hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe. Take good care of yourselves and each other. Check this out. This is what I'm talking about, a triangle. There's this one, and this one. Triangle. That's why I talk about triangles a lot. One, two, three, or one, two, three. Anyway, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all have a great day. My post is up already on Buy Me a Coffee site. Um, as I stated yesterday in video, I will be off Saturday and Sunday unless something big happens. I do need some downtime as I did videos all through last weekend and this week. Please be good to yourselves and each other and take good care. If you'd like to support my channel, links are below the video. Much love.